Hey, this is Colt again, Spit and Tex Upholstery. I'm just going to show you what we did. We have skinned the seat, all right? I've shown you about foam, anchors, all of that. This is what we have, okay? Seam ripper, this is where we are. That's next. But in the meantime, label everything. I have a panel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 15 pieces. We mark bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, okay? Top, right. Okay, that's our right on the good side. So that means our right is our left and our left is our right, okay? Because we have the good side down and the bad side up. So that's my left to my right. When I flip it over, my left is my left and my right is my right. I hope you get that. Anchors sewn towards top. Okay, this is just an extra piece of vinyl that's 2 3/4 inches wide. Okay, sometimes 3, some of these are 3, whatever, but don't go no more than 3. But your sew allowance, you sew it towards the top. So on this side of where the two pieces merge, this piece and this piece merge, sew on the top side. Sew on the top side. Top, top, top. That means this side. So it's just a piece of 3-inch vinyl, if that you sew onto the sew allowance once it's completed. Okay, and it shows ank. You mark it before you ever tear it apart. I drew a line with hash marks, ank, A-N-K, that's where it starts. Hash mark, or A-N-K, that's where it stops. A-N-K, that's where it stops. Starts, okay? Bottom, right, top, out. Top, right, out, bottom. Oh, they're actually, that's 16. Oh, I stand corrected. But you can see, okay? So label your pieces, over-label them, so you know. It's all good. It's not rocket science, but you want to know because you might have to come back. People freak out when this is all tore apart. Oh, these pieces are ironed out and laying there, and you're just like, okay. Well, you remember, that's why I said what you label it. If you put foam on it, label it the way it is as you put the foam on it. And then it all goes together just perfect. So that's how you label things. And then this is the next tool. That's it. Tear it apart. Iron it. That's going to be the next video. Are you with me? Are you with me? We can do this. Okay? All right.